Unlock Radiant Skin, a full-day Indian diet plan for weight loss and glowing skin. Achieving glowing skin isn't just about slathering on expensive creams or undergoing elaborate skincare routines. It begins from within, with a balanced diet rich in essential nutrients. In this article, we'll explore a full-day Indian diet plan designed not only to aid in weight loss but also to nurture naturally radiant skin. Breakfast. Kickstart your day with a nutritious breakfast that fuels your body and pampers your skin. Opt for a bowl of oats cooked in milk, topped with fresh fruits like strawberries, blueberries, and slices of banana. Oats are packed with fiber and antioxidants, while fruits provide essential vitamins and minerals. For glowing skin, mid-morning snack. Combat mid-morning cravings with a handful of almonds and walnuts. These nuts are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E, which help maintain skin health and hydration. Lunch. For lunch, indulge in a balanced meal of roti or brown rice paired with dal, lentils, and a variety of colorful vegetables like spinach, bell peppers, carrots, and tomatoes. Lentils are rich in protein and iron, promoting collagen production for youthful skin, while vegetables supply a plethora of vitamins and antioxidants. Afternoon snack. Satisfy your hunger pangs with a refreshing snack of yogurt mixed with a teaspoon of honey and a sprinkle of chia seeds. Yogurt contains probiotics that support gut health, which is closely linked to skin health, while honey offers antimicrobial properties, and chia seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. Dinner. Keep dinner light yet satisfying with grilled fish like salmon or mackerel, accompanied by a side of quinoa and a generous serving of steamed green vegetables such as broccoli, asparagus, and kale. Fish is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and maintain skin elasticity, while quinoa provides protein and essential amino acids for cell repair and regeneration. Before bed, wind down your day with a soothing cup of warm turmeric milk. Turmeric is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help soothe skin irritations and promote a healthy complexion. Hydration. Throughout the day, ensure you stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water, herbal teas, and fresh fruit juices. Hydration is key to maintaining skin elasticity and flushing out toxins from the body, leaving your skin looking radiant and refreshed. Remember, a diet plan for glowing skin isn't about deprivation or strict rules but rather about nourishing your body from the inside out with wholesome, nutrient-rich foods. By following this full-day Indian diet plan, you can not only achieve your weight loss goals but also unlock the secret to naturally radiant skin that glows from within.